Have been looking for a business to start, then definitely continue watching this video because I know that this video is going to be helpful. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, this channel is all about how to make money online, business ideas, apps that you can use to make money, and many more. Consider joining this family by subscribing and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you are not new, thank you for coming back. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys business ideas that you can start with $2,000 or less than that. The businesses that I'm about to share with you can be done anywhere in the world. Before I start with the business ideas for today, I will be sharing with you guys tips to consider when opening a business. The first one is focus on a niche. What do I mean by this? Have at least a product that everybody will know that you are the one that sells it. You can implement 2 or 3 more products, but it is always good that people should know you for this product. For example, if I want to start a business and I focus on selling glasses, any type of glasses, there's a probability that I'll get more customers or referred customers. If anybody wants glasses and few people know that I'm selling glasses, they'll recommend my business to those people because they know that they can get all type of glasses in my business. If I bring different type of products that is not related to glasses, it's going to be a little bit of confusion. So focus on your niche. If you want to bring more products, they should at least have a link with glasses. That can be maybe products to clean your glasses with or cases and stuff like that. Those products fall under the same category of glasses. So you can bring those. That's just an example. The second tip is pricing. You don't want your products to be very expensive because you're going to lose a lot of customers. You are still starting. I don't know if you have heard this, but I need you to know that when you are starting a business, there's always a possibility of you losing a little bit of money at the beginning. And then with time, you're going to catch up and gain more money. So there is no need to increase the prices of your product at the beginning. You wait maybe for a month or two or to see how your business is going before you start to increase your prices. You can also implement things like buy one and get another one half the price. Then you can now maybe increase the price of the product and then try to play smart, if you know what I mean. Just try to play smart in the sense that if you want to increase your prices in a smart way. If you do not promote your business, nobody's going to do it for you. So promotion is very important when you do have a business. We have free apps that we can promote our businesses. We have Instagram, we have Facebook, we have Snapchat, we have TikTok, we even have WhatsApp. Make as much noise as you can until people will be tired of seeing your post. Yes, that's how much you have to be intense when it comes to promotion. If you do not have an account with any of those platforms, I will encourage you to open one for your business, not for personal use, and start promoting your product. Now that I'm done sharing the tips with you, let's start with the first business idea. This is a business that you can do if you're already having a car or a motorcycle or even a bicycle. You're going to offer your services to businesses, for example, restaurants, stores, hospitals, or pharmacies. So if you go to a pharmacy, to say an example, and then talk to the owner of the pharmacy and offer your services like, hey, I do have a delivery business and I can offer my services to you. Your customers can order medications and I'll be happy to deliver their medications to them. So now you come in terms with what your commission is going to be or your payment is going to be. Same as going to a restaurant and doing food delivery for them. The second type of business that I'll be sharing with you guys is cleaning walls or driveways. We've all passed by maybe a neighborhood or just our neighbor next to us or even our own house or where we are renting. We have seen things like this, things like this, and things like this, and worse than this or better than this. So, you starting a business, washing the walls or the driveways can definitely give you a good source of income. You don't need to spend $1,000 to buy those products. They have equipment for what is the work side. They have equipment for cars if you want to implement cars into your cleaning business. They also have it for walls. All you have to do is to get the right product. You can get a second-hand product maybe on Facebook Market or from someone else, or simply buy it online. There are many websites that you can buy a second-hand product, and then in the long run you can buy a new one. Or if you want to start buying a new one, if you want to start the business with a new one, then I always mention Alibaba. You go to Alibaba, you buy your products and they ship it to wherever you are. Another perfect business that you can start is by selling phone accessories. Every single day we have new things coming out. It might be phone cases, it can be headphones. You can start a business by selling phone accessories. And again, I'm going to mention Alibaba as a good source, especially if you want to buy in bulk. You can even put a brand as your own brand and then just put it and then start selling. But since you are starting and you don't want to spend more than $1,000 or $2,000, then you might start selling accessories with other people's brand. And then with time, you can make your own brand with your accessories. They are beautiful phone accessories. There are a lot of things. You can get this one for game lovers. You can get this one as well. I'm telling you that a lot of things. You can find everything that I'm talking to you about on this website, Alibaba. One thing that I have learned is no matter how much a woman will tell you, I do not have money, we will always look for money to buy what we want. That is maybe makeup, hair accessories, doing our nails, anything else to do with women, like beauty things. You can start a beauty business by selling eyelashes, by selling things like this, and things like this, and many more. And again and again, I'm going to mention Alibaba. I think this is the third or the fourth time I'm saying Alibaba. Why do I keep mentioning Alibaba? Alibaba is a website that is advantageous when you are buying in bulk. So the more you buy, the lesser the price is for whatsoever products you want to buy. So that's why I keep mentioning Alibaba. I'm not getting paid for mentioning their name, but hello, when you buy something from somewhere, it's good to give them credit and also let others know that there's a place like this that exists. You don't need to have an actual store before starting this business. You can buy those products and start selling from your home, taking some, sharing at work, showing friends. People are going to buy. Starting a piñata business is a great way to make money. Piñatas are not just meant for birthday parties. You can still sell piñatas for bachelor's parties, for anything. But so far as it's a party, people are going to buy, depending on the structure of the piñata. If you feel like you do have a lot of difficulties finding customers, you can still buy those piñatas and sell them to people who have decoration businesses. Sell it to them and they will include in their package. So you are getting rid of the piñatas by selling to someone else. If you follow my Alibaba, there are piñatas on Alibaba very, very cheap. And as I said earlier, the more you buy, the lesser the quantity. You can get these piñatas for this amount, ship it to the country that you are, and start selling your piñatas. I have other videos talking about business ideas that you can check them here in my channel and learn more about businesses. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.